Hi everyone, welcome back to Waterhouse Forde. Yet again, it's been a long time since we put out a video. I wanted to give you a quick video, just a quick update really on how things are going. We're just about there, we're almost ready to start working on the Ferguson again. But I just wanted to quickly show you the progress we've made and more importantly, the little bit that we've got left to do before we can bring the Ferguson into the workshop and start restart videos. So yeah, let's take a look. So the first thing you'll notice is that this area of the workshop is now much clearer. We've managed to find a home for everything, and more importantly, we've managed to build a lovely workbench there. Now I'm going to do I think a little special on that particular workbench, not so much the workbench, but I decided to epoxy the top, so to basically put an epoxy coating on here. And as you can see there, that's given a fantastic finish. But more importantly, hopefully, I think that that's going to give us a very hard wearing surface. This back wall, you can see I've put up some, it's just fiberboard that was laying around. And my intention is to put some shadow foam up there with the tools that we regularly use embedded in the shadow foam. If you don't know what that is, I'll put a link to it a little bit further, in the description of the video so you can see. Now, over here on the right hand side, we've moved the wood lathe into that corner there. It's a little bit tight, but I think it's going to be fine for the kind of wood turning that I do. I don't think that that's going to be too much of a hassle. And then spinning you around without making you too dizzy. The intent is to put, you'll see right down the bottom there, we've got the metal lathe, and the intent is for that to go basically in this area here. So where the wood saw is sort of standing at the moment. So that's the intent there. And then you can see we've got our toolboxes there, a workbench here as well. That epoxy coating has worked so well, I'm actually intending to clear this one and basically do the same treatment. This is the epoxy system that I used, West Systems, and like I say, I think I might do a little 10-minute video on that, but yeah, that's worked out really well. So spinning it around again without doing it too quickly, you can see now we've got shelving in this second bay. Now it obviously still needs a little bit of sorting out. The compressor is actually going to go outside, and we need to find a home for the engine crane, etc. But what I might do is actually dismantle that and pack it away, because it's obviously not something that you use every day. We've got more shelving and some filing cabinets in that corner there, and lots of stuff stored away in there. And then this bay hasn't changed a lot, I think, since you last saw it, but we've just managed to find all of our hardware, and that's now pretty much stored in there, and tools on those shelves on the right hand side behind the ladder. The ladder of course goes up to the top, and a little bit more sorting to do out there, but nothing that's stopping us from getting going. The bit that's stopping us from getting going is this floor. Now you'll remember from the last video, this is essentially an earthen floor. I mean, the bit that I'm standing on now is concrete, but this bit that's in the frame at the moment, this is all, it was earth and rock. What I've done so far is I've pulled out all the large rocks. There were massive chunks. They've all been taken out, and this is now, I want to get this level as I can. There's probably a little bit more rock to come out, but the intention is then to obviously compact that, and then I've got some MOT type 1, which I'm going to put on top and compact that as well, and that should give us a good base then, at least a level base, number one, to put the tractor on, and number two, obviously to walk on. It was extremely awkward to walk on before with it being so unlevel. I mean, basically what you're seeing now, but hard. Obviously what you're seeing now is loose. So imagine that hard. That's what you were trying to walk on. Anyway, look, I think that I'm hoping to get that finished next weekend. and then I'm then planning on bringing the Fergie back in here and basically getting started. There's still other jobs that I'd love to do, other things that need sorting, but obviously we need to, we'll have to do those around videos on and making progress on the Ferguson. So that's the update. That's where we are. As I say, nothing else has really happened on the Ferguson itself. It's still parked in the other barn where you saw it last time, and not much has changed there. Just a quick thing just to show you, everything under this workbench is for the Ferguson. So either new stock, new parts, or some of the old things. You've got the radiator just under the cover there. You can just see the starter sticking out there. You can see the exhaust manifold, a couple of other bits, and then all the new stuff on that top shelf, which we still need to work through. So yeah, that's at least it's now organized and it's all in one place. I think in the other shop it was a little bit all over the place, but now at least everything is in one place and we can just crack on, which is great. Yeah, look, I think that's it for today. Just a quick video, just to give you an update, just to let you know that we haven't disappeared off the face of the earth, and more importantly that we do still intend to continue, and that we are making progress, working toward getting going again. So have a great week, everybody. Hopefully just a couple weeks now to go, and then we will start putting out some content. Have a great one, everyone. See you soon. Cheers.